Hey everyone, my name is Andre Pittman. This is Kanish 205 section 1, and today we have our assignment right here. This will be creating a Google folder with the subfolders within it. So let's get this started. So first we're going to log into our Google account. We're going to come to this left tab here and click New. Click on Folder, give it a name. So we'll just call this Kanish 205. Okay, and now we have this folder here. So we're going to double click to enter it. Click the down arrow so we can create subfolders that will go inside of it. And we'll just create these names here as 1, 2, and 3. So the first one's 1, this one's 2, and for the last one, we'll give it 3. Alright, and now we want to open this folder by double clicking this as well. To add something into this folder, we're just going to double click or right click to upload files. So I'll click upload, and then basically here just pick whatever you want and you add this into there. So let's say we want to just put this in there for reference. Boom. Now this is in this subfolder. We'll go back to 2. I want to add something here as well. Right click is on this one too. Advise and form, we'll just add this there. Boom, now we have one there as well. And then lastly for this third one, let's add one more file. Let's do study guide. Boom. So now we have our main folder, which is Kanish 205, and then 3 subfolders, all with a document inside of it. So you can see, not too complicated. And that's it.